Have you been searching for a perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Volkswagen Atlas SEL R-Line in deep black pearl. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 21-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 5,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, heated rear seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, third-row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter turbocharged VR6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8384A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.